You've got a lot of options when it comes to protecting the exterior of your ride. I'm DJ with 303, and today we're going to be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to protect your car's exterior. And to do it, we'll be using our 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating. First step, as always, is making sure that your car is clean. We're going to be doing a quick wash, and today we're going to be using our 303 car wash for its added lubricity and its concentrated formula. Just a capful or 1 ounce of product will do. So now your car is clean, here's where you can start making some choices. Do a quick walk around to inspect your paint's clarity. We're going to be using our 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating, and with that product, you don't need to correct the paint beforehand for it to properly bond to the surface. If you're happy with the way that your paint looks, you can apply it just as is. But if it isn't up to your standards, we recommend starting the process by claying your paint. Today we're going to be using our 303 Speed Detailer and our clay mitt to remove contaminants from the surface. The Speed Detailer adds lubricity, preventing friction between the paint and the clay mitt, which prevents marring. The clay mitt will pull contaminants from the surface, leaving it smooth and ready for correction. Decontaminating the paint is a crucial step in the paint correction process. If you don't decontaminate, you're just going to be rubbing anything that's already on the surface into the paint, which causes more scratches and more swirl marks, adding unneeded time to an already lengthy process. If your paint has minor to moderate scratches or swirl marks in the clear, 303 three-step compound, polish, and finishing polish will get the job done. Each of the products has its own color-coded pad, so you know you're using the right one. We recommend starting with our step 2, the polish, on a test spot to see if that gets the job done. Ideally, you don't want to do all 3 steps if you don't have to. But if the polish doesn't get the job done, you can step down to the compound to hammer out those scratches and swirl marks. Whether you had to correct some minor imperfections in your paint or you were happy with the way it looked already, now is the time to pick what sort of protection you want to use on your paint, trim, glass, and wheels. Solvent-based ceramic coatings have been the talk of the detailing world for a while now. Same with our offshoots, SiO2 spray sealants. That's what Touchless Sealant is, a superior water-based SiO2 product that's super easy to use. Simply spray it on, rinse, and dry for 6 months added protection. But today, we're going to be talking about the next generation of exterior protection, our 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating. Our Graphene Nano Spray Coating provides unbeatable protection, especially when you consider how simple and easy it is to use. First, you're going to spray the product onto a microfiber applicator and wipe onto your car one section at a time. A little goes a long way with this product. After applying, it should begin to haze, turning white before you buff it out with a clean microfiber towel. While our Graphene Nano Spray Coating provides a high level of paint protection, what's really cool about the product is the other added benefits it provides. It lowers the surface temperature of your paint. even black, which naturally fights off water spotting. The high water contact angle of graphene spray coating produces great water beading effects, which causes the water to fall off your paint quickly. It is also great because of its versatility. Not only can it be used on paint, but it can also be used on glass, wheels, and trim. Graphene spray coating can also be layered. You can use it on top of itself for added protection, on top of an existing coating that's already on your car, or you can use it as a base layer and add another product on top of graphene. So that's it. Your car is now coated with the next generation of exterior automotive protection. Check out 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating or any of the other products you saw today and try them out for yourself. Thank you for watching.